Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of removing the front bumper from your Audi A3. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and the front wheels are off for optimal access. Remember to place a soft mat underneath to protect the bumper. Begin by opening the hood and removing the 3 Torx T30 screws you'll find along the top edge. This initial step is crucial for a smooth start to the removal process. Next, we move to the underside and wheel arches. You'll need to remove several Torx T25 screws holding the under tray in place. Then, turn your front wheels to full lock, allowing you to partially pull back the wheel arch liners. This reveals 2 more Torx T25 screws on each side, attaching the bumper to the fender. Don't forget the 10mm bolt tucked away deeper in each arch. An extension might be helpful here. Before fully detaching the bumper, it's vital to disconnect all electrical and fluid connections. If your Audi A3 has headlight washers, gently disconnect the fluid hose, often secured with a small circlip. Next, unplug the electrical connectors for the fog lights, usually located at the bottom of the bumper. Also, be sure to disconnect any central electrical plugs for parking sensors or other features to prevent damage. Now for the final step, releasing the bumper. Ensure every single fastener, from screws to clips, has been removed. With a firm but gentle pull, ease the bumper sideways out of its guides on both sides. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you in carefully pulling the entire bumper cover straight forward and away from the vehicle, ensuring no components are snagged or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.